Ugoko nekwa Kikuyu podcast. Guys, as we speak, Vigira wa iregi gutirikareka. Kwena claims dona ciitire goko online na Dennis Itubi ehadwa sheke muno. Andu nimabetie gukre materere kana magatabia ndeto aterere ati nie alinkle information iyo kwirigatho wa Gachagua. Toro tu team ya communication ya president itogwa ne Hussein Mohamed no gina thaici egiko ehadwa sheke muno niki no lalikle information iyo. Guys, like mwere what happened yesterday. Kama yade muthomeria uri andu maroga uko online about Dennis Itubi. Na bathe hena handu dona Dennis Itubi ni araroga magite kule mwena wa Gicugu na aroria karoga makia makereko. Let me tell you what happened yesterday, guys. Ira this speech ya Ruto ila sabotaged. Manifesto ya Ruto ni arakorwo sabotaged ni Rigathi wa Gachagua. Nikidogo guys, that was not just a speech. Mundu gwetwo Ruto nita manifesto aendagiria Kenya indirect yake ati kure kwenda kuroria Kenya Renovation 2060 Renovation gado egatharu andu mambie kumwitikia. It was manifesto kana ni manifesto ya Ruto ira sabotaged na ikiro ni ira ona keri rari murakaru danenda ciuria aumire murakaru na social media as we speak Rigathi wa Gachagua ni ara trend. Toro tu ogerora veini wa headline cia gatheti ta Standard matikwaragia horo cio, Nation matikwaragia horo cio, ni gwere turore muno tondu Ruto hau na hau ni ikiria kiara maitho. Manifesto ya Ruto nio irari sabotage muthenya wa ira. Ni kidogo guys, ni tondu ageretie kwendia uhoro wa Singapore ukirema kuti mundu muthikagiria about Singapore. Ndagikona na mundu mari abetie gwikana mwaka wa 22 sijui hasra dynasty bottom up economy. So either kaudo agi campaign nako. You see what could have happened? Agiko speech na yake kana manifesto na yake dinako sabotage muthenya wa ira. Arari arie TV ne after kwariria a Kenya to ni amenya information ino yakinyina a Kenya othe reu abie hold rallies across Kenya reu akihuragira irefe modu maria araririe muthenya wa ira twenda gutwara Kenya 2016 to innovation 2016 hei kanya kage muone economy ito ne growete agati I tell you ni manifesto ya kinara reu kaukarari kaudo alaida guka nako kana akamite nako no kaundu kau agikama up nako ni kaundu ga campaign kana strategy ya campaign na ni riu irakorirwo cut short ni Rigathi wa Gachagua. Who leaked information? Dennis Itubi muthenya na kiweto muno guko online. Torogo tu team ya presidential communication ire togore Hussein Mohamed even ina mona muno. Toroga gikone speech te ya Ruto andu ama mehando ni andu anini muno. Ni andu anini muno andu ale mara mehando. Ni communication team na andu agianini. So that's small circle. Who leaked that information? Leo neko theire kwena andu mekuiga to State House, kwena andu megufutwa maira, especially team ya communication negufutwa wira. Andu aingi I'm sure kuna watu wengi watafutwa kazi. Hena andu data torore oredo maruga ohoro wa Dennis Itubi. Kwena Duncan augitio Itubi accused of leaking the ChatGPT speech to Ligiji. Oscar Sudi slapped him heavily. Tiona Oscar Sudi na mwoli coffee. Ogoni wadu maruga woko online. Nikuna the Kenya Times mwitio Itubi addressing claim of being Gachagua's mole. Head of presidential special projects and creative economy Dennis Itubi has dismissed online speculation alleging he is leaking State House information to former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. Kene mudo mere mudo ore ugete kene mudo mere ha keda nikina ke ugete wanataka kumkula sasa, wanasikia akinuka kama kondo. They are now saying that Dennis Itubi is a mole at ni spy wa Rigathi wa Gachagua. Itubi under siege. Makarena arauga ati muthenya wa ira auga atire Makarena Dennis Itumbi ni arauga giti negesho amuragio kurungama na giti na kiama kiriko yet UDA Mount Kenya ndaigwikana no atiriri aiko Dennis Itumbi nenda kurungama giti ithe ndasensete danger na kona thirikari ndagashoka kana inyu murona atia. By the way, let's be honest, Makarena Michael augitio Dennis Itumbi niko na kiulizo kama rafiki yako 27 kiti ya Gichugu constituency MP unawania na tiketi ya chama cha UDA, DCP ama Jubilee. Ni swali tu. Tusikamua nguo na maji chafu. Tusikamue nguo na maji chafu. Ati amuria karoma ya Gichugu na kiama kiriko UDA, DCP kana Jubilee. Atiriri kuna shule nyingi about Dennis Itumbi. So guys, Dennis Itumbi no akro emol timine kana vigiregi ni information legeji no akro emol. Remember tugikagira mwaka wa 2022 election Dennis Itumbi then wapeja yake very active ni ashaga kila information ya uhunyi. If you remember very well, thirikari ireka maundu ma thirikari ya uhunye gufagitwo na mashamanio fulani mfagitio no and by the maundu ma Dennis Itumbi aragia niguo watwikaga na niguo makoragwo. So now who is leaking the information to Legiji who sabotaged manifesto ya Kinara muthenya wa ira tondu Kinara raishi in fact speech yake era muthukirie na njira nene muno. It added no value to his presidency kana then what ogoria wake. It added no value. In fact era muthukirie muno mundu ora trend ni Legiji. In fact on a media material horo cio ngira gatheti gutire ati arokete kuaga nturathi kwangako. Hakuna media inaongea about those shenanigans. Niki ni machoko thire media Kinara shokothete kira handu mundu tedo mamuthurire tedo mamuteithia wikia kura ti kanitha ti media ti a Kenya uti handu agiurira na media is very powerful. Media is very powerful ni gukwendia. So media ona denoya kiria press ya Ruto umuthe ni egiuma front page ya gatheti ciothe. But ogila gatheti kuti undu tucio mekoragiriria muthenya umuthe. What does it tell you? Kinara kwisha maneno. Kinara kwisha maneno. Kinara kwisha maneno. Kinara ni kwisha maneno. Yeah. Ni noma. Ni mbaya wadau. Ni noma na ni mbaya sana. Huo ni waikarete maudo maua na ogo guys. Huo ni wai podcast manifesto ya Rutoira ni agwithirio mundu witwa Hussein Mohamed meukathina timu ya communication no Legiji dena information tu ya maudo mathirikari on one side ena maudo maingi muno, and that tells us that mundu witwa Legiji hena maudo atoka gutwira kana kwalia mwingine no en intel nene muno. He knows everything. He knows everything. Kone go podcast moni manyuraiko inyue munonate bagyo gamati na mathime guys, this is what it is. Kwani iko nini bagyo gamati na mathime.